program today. And you know what else? I mean, there was so much controversy about his statements. To his credit, he stood up and answered every question. He did. All week long.
Look at Mommy.
It was a brash call, too.
Henry, look at Mama.
But I tell you, Florida's defenders right here, staying with their fundamentals.
Hey, give me that.
Play. A normal guy, 4th and 6 strikes on that play. It's good for him. Now, it doesn't make any difference if that ball's intercepted. That's no different. Inconsequential.
Got it?
Timeout, are we?
Oh, Mommy, show Mommy how you doing.
Jonathan Crofton has
Mommy, look
played
at me.
more than adequate.
Mommy, look at me. Look at me.
Hey, you got 12.
And of course, here's one of the
Yeah.
Alright, that's enough. Yeah.
Because he was
Hey, let's get him out.
There was no cheating. Other such statements. Yes, you gotta throw it. You don't care if he's covered or not. You gotta put it up. You might get a pass interference.
I'm
Tennessee took the
pleased.
competition out also. Takes the pass.
No. We're walking. I'm getting in there.
Touchdown pass.
Oh, we almost did it. Yay!
It's going to be as easy for Florida this year.
Taking pictures? Oh, video. Oh, video.
Video, yeah.
Receivers
Taking pictures.
fear into the
Wait, let me
secondary.
on my hair. Alright, that's enough. No, you're getting too heavy on this thing.
24 carries today, 76 yards.
Alright, sorry, got it.
No more lifting up. And Nana has to lift me up off the bed tomorrow morning.
I could do that easily.
Hey, bad habits, bad habits. Get him a little motorcycle. You can teach him how to vacuum. Go play with my hammers. Clean his nose now.
Give him credit. And you know what? Urban's going and congratulating the players, too. He knows they put a lot of effort in this football game.
What?
That's classy by Urban Meyer.
Henry. Say bye.
Number 1 team in the country.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
See ya. We don't want to be ya.
Thanks, Coach.
Did
You're not able to sing Rocky Top 10, but you have to be happy with your way. Your young team came in and played.
Well, we're not happy because we lost, but I think that our guys played hard, played physical, and I think we showed the blueprint of how to come down here and win if we make some more plays at the end.
After all the controversy, are you happy with the team?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
After all the controversy, are you just happy that the team is over and done with?
No, I wish we would have played a little better on Monday, but we're going to the next game. We got a good opponent coming back home. We'll see him next year.
Okay, Dad. What?
So he looked at you. What the heck?
Like, yeah, what's up, man?
Say
Put
bye.
your feet down, squirrely. Alright.
Bye, Papa. Show him walking his first steps.
Time for the play of the game presented by Outback Steakhouse. And it was a 3rd and 4.
Just don't let him smack his face on the floor.
And it was a time of the game when we were talking that the next score was going to make the game. And here's the
That's enough. That's enough. Don't do that anymore.
back around, reverses his feet. Comes to the left, still looks. He's going to be hit. He breaks the tackle, comes ahead to the 40, 42-yard line and out of bounds, close to the first down.
Leave him.
57-yard run. And let's go down to Tracy. She's with Urban Meyer.
Coach, it wasn't pretty, but you did get the win.
No, it's real pretty. I mean, when I have an SEC win against SEC personnel, that's beautiful. That's a great win for us.
Especially coming after the comments that Kiffin made earlier in the season.
I think this last comments made by coaches, there's great players on both sides of the field. That's a very talented defense. That's a great win. And I don't want to lose sight of that. Please enjoy this win.
What did you learn about your team today?
Well, they fought. We're a very well-conditioned team. We won the second half down. And we just got a long way to go now. I mean, that's when I start hearing people make all these comments about
Nowhere.
We got to worry about winning each game, down to down, quarter to quarter.
At least you're right.
How about watching Eric Berry and Tim Tebow head-to-head?
No, those are two warriors, man. Those guys have been playing football for a long time.
Thanks a lot, Coach. Congratulations.
And traditionally, of course, Urban Meyer leads the team over to face the band and sing the alma mater. Defensive player of the game. He's our player of the game in this SEC opener.
Yeah.
The Gators
Yeah.
and the Volunteers.